Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now select the person whom you want to block. Now go their profile. Here you'll find 3 dots. Press on this. Now press on this block option. Now click on block. So this is how to block someone on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.